Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to burntchurch. I thank y'all for coming back and watching. I hope everybody's been having a blessed day. It's a pretty day right now here, but they're giving bad storms coming tonight. I hope that they're wrong. There's possibility of tornadoes and damaging wind. Well, I got this project finished, and I'm real happy with this. It's even quietened it down some in here. I can't hear a lot of vehicles and stuff pulling up now out there, but so that should help insulate the shop a lot. So what I've got today is we've got some nice poplar logs, 14 foot long. We're going to be sawing what they call 2x6s. Now they're actually 1.5 inches thick, but they're going to be 6 inches wide. And like I said, they're 14 foot long. This should make some real good material. Don't have but 4 logs. It shouldn't take long unless we have trouble, and that's usually what happens is when you don't think it's going to take long, you wind up into some kind of mess and it winds up taking all day. So I'll bring you along out here with me. These here's what we've got to saw. There's just 3 of them. I thought there was 4. That one over here is pretty crooked. This big butt right here, and I guess that's the second cut. That'll make some pretty good stuff. They look longer than 14. They got some big growth rings. That poplar grows fast. Maybe it won't bow too bad. Does anybody know about these Wood-mizers? It's a diesel engine. I've been turning the switch on and leaving it on for a few minutes before I start it. Is that the way I need to do it? I haven't read the manual about it to see, and it may not even tell, I don't know. But that's how I do it. We'll see what it'll do. It ain't been started since before Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, it's ready to go. I have to wait till this screen clears before I can work any controls. Those poplar look like had a little mud on them. I'll probably have to try to use the debarker on them. This first cut right here, I'm trying to get a 6-inch space, and that way I can drop down, and that next cut we can edge it and make a 2x6 out of it. Well, it's got about a 6-inch space. I think we'll be able to edge it and make a 2x6 with no problem. This log here is pretty dirty. You'll see the mud on the other side when I get it turned. Had a really dull blade right there. This cut here, I didn't get a real good 6-inch space on it. We'll probably have to edge it and make a 2x4 out of it. That debarker is working pretty good right there now. I'm glad it is, getting that mud off of them for me. This log, I had struggle with it, trying to get it to stand up there for me. The way it was bowed, it was trying to rock on one of them arms under there. I've got 2 more cuts here and I'll be done with this one. Maybe that button off won't bow as fast as this. This here's probably got a 1/2 or 3/4 inch bow in the boards. That's one thing I try to do when I'm sawing poplar. I don't unplant it. I leave it clamped until I get to the very bottom. This is my last cut. Poplar and set out pine is 2 of the worst woods. I have trouble with it bowing real bad. I'll go out here and help him stack these. That's 6 of them right there going off. That's how he does it by himself there, but I'm fixing to help him now. There's the bow in them, you can kind of see. Some of them not bowed that bad, but there's a few of them pretty crooked. That big log, I'm gonna have to go help him. This is some real pretty poplar. It's got some pretty colors in it, but it's bowed pretty bad. I think that's because it growed so fast, is what I kind of think. The growth rings, you can see here how big the growth rings are on it. I laid out one here where you can see how crooked it is. Now they're all not that crooked. They're usable. I don't know what he's going to use them for. They'd make good rafters, I think. This here's what we've got to edge. We'll edge these and make 2x6s out of them. I was editing this video this morning and I've lost a lot of footage from sawing that. I don't know where it went. I can't find it. I don't know if I just didn't hit record or what. I've had that happen a few times here lately. It may be my SD card. I may need to get a new SD card to put in there. But I hope y'all enjoy what little bit I did have of it. I missed sawing that biggest butt log, and it sawed out some real pretty looking stuff. It's a real cold morning here this morning. It's 24 degrees, I think is what my little thing said in there in the house. That insulation on the garage door, it seems to have helped a lot. Temperature up here on the above the garage door is 51. The temperature on the garage door is 51. It used to not be that way. It used to be a lot colder there against that garage door. But I thank y'all for watching. I pray God blesses you, and I'll see you in the next one.